Hey Tribees, and welcome back to my channel. I am Sina M, and today I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial where I'll be doing mini twist. This hairstyle is becoming very popular on TikTok and I decided to try it out. Actually, my cousin wanted to do it and then I was like, good, short. So the hair that we use is from Magic and I think it's Afro kinky hair, but I would have shown it on the screen for you guys. As you guys can see here, I was sectioning out the hair as I was braiding because I didn't know what to do at first, but then as we go I used my braiding stand to section out the hair. What I noticed while braiding with this specific hair is that it doesn't really require a lot of hair, so a little truly does go a long way with this specific hair. And I was sectioning it out now using smaller bits because as the hair stays, the longer it stays, the more bulky and bigger it gets, so you really don't need a lot of hair. We had 2 packs and ended up using 1 pack of hair. Here I was showing you guys a more clear view of me doing the hair because the first view was really not clear. I hope you guys are enjoying the video and are learning. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so that you can join the tribe with the vibe. So as you guys can see, when I was done braiding the hair, I was dipping it into hot water just to seal the ends and make it more like fluffy, more flexible, more movable, okay, if that is even a word. So as you guys can see, I asked her to stand up so that I can see the length that she wanted and that I can cut, to the admired length that she wants. So guys, this is the hair when I was done. This took me so many hours, but it was worth every second, okay, because I love the hair, she loved the hair, and I hope you guys also love how the hair came out. And we'll be trying this hairstyle for yourselves. I was showing you guys here an in-depth close up to show you guys that my parting was on par, and the time and hours that I put into this hairstyle was definitely worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye.